it's Anika Kai, celebrity makeup artist and beauty influencer, and today we are reviewing Morphe's Supreme Brow Kits. I got them both right here in Java and Cold Brew. This is a 5-piece kit that comes with a brush, brow gel, clear brow sculpting wax, and a brow powder. I'm going to be using the kit in Java to create a soft sculpted laminated look. This is my first look at the product. We have the brow powder. I'm going to swatch this with a brush. So we've got a brown neutral shade, which on me is quite neutral. It's almost turning a bit ashy. I'm going to skip this one for my look today. Now I'm grabbing the brow cream, also in the shade Java. Exact same shade as the powder. So I might use this, but very sparingly. We also have a micro brow pencil, which are my favorite for creating really precise lines and mimicking hair strokes. Okay, now this color I can get behind. This is a little bit richer, and I like it because it's kind of a stiff formula, so you know it's not gonna move or wipe off easily. The kit also comes with this brow sculpting wax and this double-sided brow sculpting wand. This I was really excited for. I want to see if it's a good dupe for the Anastasia. I'm going to take a little bit on the brush here, and I have no product in my brow right now. Ooh. My brow hairs are quite unruly and it's gathering them quite effortlessly. If I did nothing else, I would be happy with this. Then I'm gonna go in with this side of the brush for added definition. You can see the difference. This is my brow with nothing in it, and this is with the brow gel alone. Okay. I'm gonna use the micro pencil to fill in the gaps here. One thing I noticed about the brow wax is that it doesn't really set, so you can still go in and move the hairs. I was looking for a little bit of hold from a wax type product, but we'll see as the day goes on. What I really like about this kit is that you can really mix and match the products to create the brow shape that best suits your look. So if it's a night out, you can go for bold and defined with the brow cream. For daytime, you can do the brow wax and a bit of the brow powder. They're all in the same shade, so you can mix and match. I am going to try the brow powder and the brow cream. I'm worried those colors in particular are gonna look a bit ashy on me, but hey, let's try it out. So this is the brow cream on a brush. It's very pigmented and it's gliding on really effortlessly. You know, I may have spoke too soon because I actually like how this color looks in my brow. It's not as bold as the color of the pencil, but it's still soft and pretty. I am also using a tiny bit, so, you know, that may have something to do with it. Since the brow cream surprised me, I'm gonna try the powder too. No, the powder's still a no for me. That I don't like. That's giving gray. If you are dark skinned and have gray hair, that would actually be beautiful, but this is starting to ash out. This one is not. It's not working for me. Going in with the brow wax. This brush is bomb. Very defined on this side with the brow pencil and the brow wax. And we've got a little softer, fluffier moment going on with the brow cream and the brow wax. So tell me what you think. There's a lot of mix and matching and customization that can be done with this kit. It comes in 2 colors, Java and Cold Brew. So try them out and let me know what you guys think. And until next time,